to The External World, David O'Reilly.
Awkward. Wow. Thanks a lot. I truthfully didn't prepare anything, but I would like to thank my co-writer Vernon Chapman for his help on this, and my whole team, my co-producer Henning. I know my mom and dad are watching. I have to thank them as well. But really, I would, I don't like to be in competition with other people in the Irish animation industry because it's so small, and really we're all kind of in this together. It's a very, very, a cottage industry, and we all do it for the love. So, and I'd also especially like to thank Cartoon Saloon, because without them, they taught me what I knew, everything I know basically when I was a kid. So I wouldn't be standing here if they didn't, if they weren't there. So, so thanks again, and yeah.